Now it is another day of the punishing heat wave here in France and indeed across much of Europe. Most of mainland France, over 60 million people, is under an extreme heat alert this Thursday, prompting authorities to close down thousands of schools and to shut 2 nuclear reactors, this with temperatures reaching over 40 degrees Celsius. Meteorologists warning as well that the heat wave here is not expected to lessen until this weekend. All of that highlighting then France's shortcomings in preparing for climate change. Well, let's speak to our reporter Olivia Bizot, who's with me on the programme. She's outside one of the big hospitals in Paris this afternoon. Olivia, I mentioned schools, the education system, but hospitals as well, clearly under significant pressure in this heat wave.
That's right, Nadia. The health system here has officially reached a tipping point. Earlier today, the Prime Minister Sébastien Lecornu triggered the level 3 of the Orson plan. That's the highest emergency health alert that exists in the country. Now, here behind me, the hospital Pompidou has reached a breaking point as well. Now, a lot of the beds have been cleared. All non-urgent operations have been cancelled in order to free up some beds, and all hospital staff who were on leave or who were on holiday have been called back to the front lines. And this situation is being mirrored in all health departments across the region. The reason for this is the historic heat that we've seen in recent days that has reached over 40 degrees Celsius here in Paris. These are the highest temperatures that the country has experienced in the history of records. The mayor of Paris, Emmanuel Grégoire, has confirmed that the death toll is expected to rise. And Sébastien Lecornu, the Prime Minister, has said that the government is doing everything it can to minimise the deaths. But he has said that the situation will likely get even more strained next week. Now, he has called for extreme caution, especially for the country's most vulnerable, including children and the elderly. Now, authorities are urging the public to really exercise that caution because they are warning this is no longer just a heat wave, it is a national catastrophe.